Okay, my name is Daniel from Clixup Touch in China. We have been in the field of optical imaging touch since 2008 and shipped more than 900,000 touch modules or interactive whiteboard to the globe. And like most of the exhibitors in this hall, we are interactive whiteboard and display supplier. But the situation is the products making the teachers and the lecturers more complicated and not easy, not convenient. So after more than 1 year's incredible hard work, we released our latest eMark series. It's about this smart pen. Only one click, it will start Windows Ink. Nothing need to do, only this shortcut key. It also could be set our eMarker whiteboard software, so could write it directly. And because the nibs have a pressure sensitivity 2048 levels, it will support authentic handwriting. And there is no touch distance. We're not disturbed by the palms or sleeves. So, and also this button is the color change, and this is eraser, could erase directly. And so it will support authentic handwriting and could use real teaching tools. And the other functions is the PowerPoint functions. About this smart pen, the other functions about the PowerPoint. With this button, could play in PowerPoint and page up and page down, and we could mark up a sentence or write something directly on the plain PowerPoint. Nothing need to do. And with different colors. And also, if you want to explain a question on a draft paper, not on a plain PowerPoint, one click on this button, a draft white paper comes out. Also, with different colors, and could share it or just let it go. Come back to the PowerPoint again. And the other eMark series is the wireless website. Our website is www.clixup.cn, and our logos and company name will be Koga. So next year, our logos and name will be this. So, and there.